Welcome to our special video presentation on 10 proven online money-making ideas you've never heard of. In this video, we'll explore unique and lesser-known methods to help you generate income online. Get ready to discover exciting opportunities that could change your financial landscape. Let's dive right in. Idea 1: Virtual Assistant Services. Our first idea is offering virtual assistant services. With the rise of remote work, businesses are in need of virtual support. As a virtual assistant, you can offer services such as email management, social media scheduling, research, and administrative tasks. You can find clients on freelance platforms or create your own website to showcase your skills. Tips and strategies. Host. To succeed as a virtual assistant, it's important to identify your strengths, specialize in specific tasks, and deliver exceptional service. Build a strong online presence, establish professional communication channels, and continuously update your skills to stay competitive in this growing field. Idea 2: Print on demand. The second idea is print on demand. This innovative business model allows you to create and sell custom-designed products without holding inventory. You can design graphics, logos, or artwork and apply them to a range of items like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. When a customer places an order, the item is printed and shipped directly to them. Getting started. Host. To start a print-on-demand business, you'll need to partner with a reliable print-on-demand platform that handles printing, fulfillment, and shipping. Focus on creating unique designs, target specific niches or audiences, and leverage social media and online marketplaces to promote your products. Idea 3: Online language teaching. The third idea is teaching a language online. If you're fluent in a particular language, you can share your knowledge and earn money by teaching it to others online. Platforms like italki, Verbaling, and Preply connect language learners with qualified tutors. Tips for success. Host. To succeed as an online language tutor, create a compelling profile highlighting your qualifications and teaching experience. Offer personalized lessons, use interactive teaching materials, and provide a positive and engaging learning environment. Advertise your services on social media, language learning forums, and through word-of-mouth referrals. Idea 4: Digital product creation. Idea number 4 is creating and selling digital products. This can include ebooks, online courses, stock photos, graphic design templates, music tracks, and more. Digital products can be created once and sold repeatedly, providing a great opportunity for passive income. Key considerations. When creating digital products, identify a target audience, research their needs, and develop high-quality and valuable content. Choose the right platform to host and sell your products, such as online marketplaces or your own website. Market your digital products through social media, email marketing, and collaborations with influencers or bloggers. Idea 5: Niche blogging. Our fifth idea is niche blogging. While blogging itself is well known, focusing on a specific niche can provide opportunities for monetization. Choose a niche you're passionate about, such as sustainable living, personal finance, or pet care, and create engaging content that appeals to your target audience. Monetization strategies. Host. To monetize your niche blog, you can use methods like display advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Build an audience through SEO optimization, social media promotion, and guest posting on related blogs. Ideas 6 to 10: Rapid fire. In the interest of time, let's quickly go through the remaining ideas. Podcasting. Start a podcast, share valuable content, and monetize through sponsorships or paid subscriptions. Online surveys. Participate in reputable online survey sites to earn cash, gift cards, or rewards. Social media management. Offer your services to businesses, managing their social media accounts and growing their online presence. Idea 7: Online surveys. Idea number 7 is participating in online surveys. Many companies and market research firms are willing to pay for your opinions and feedback. By joining reputable online survey sites, you can earn cash, gift cards, or other rewards for sharing your insights. Tips for maximizing earnings. To make the most of online surveys, sign up for multiple survey platforms to increase your earning opportunities. Complete profile surveys to qualify for more targeted surveys, and be consistent in participating to earn rewards regularly. Remember to be cautious and only provide your information to trusted survey sites. Idea 8, Social Media Management. Our eighth idea is offering social media management services. As businesses strive to maintain a strong online presence, many require assistance in managing their social media accounts effectively. If you have expertise in social media marketing, you can offer your services to help businesses grow their online reach and engagement. Skills and strategies. To succeed as a social media manager, stay updated with the latest trends and strategies in social media marketing. Create engaging content, schedule posts, respond to comments and messages, and analyze data to optimize performance. Showcase your skills and previous results to attract clients and build your reputation in the industry. Idea 9, Domain Flipping. The ninth idea is domain flipping. This involves buying and selling domain names for a profit. By researching trending keywords or valuable domain names, you can invest in domains that have the potential to be in high demand. Once you secure valuable domains, you can sell them at a higher price to interested buyers. Tips for success. To succeed in domain flipping, conduct thorough research to identify potentially valuable domain names. Use domain marketplace platforms to buy and sell domains, and consider investing in extensions like .com, .net, or country-specific domains. Patience, market knowledge, and negotiation skills are key in this industry. Idea 10, Online Focus Groups. Our final idea is participating in online focus groups. Companies and market research firms often seek feedback on their products or services. By joining online focus groups, you can provide valuable insights and opinions, and in return, receive compensation for your time and feedback. Finding online focus groups. Host. To find online focus groups, you can search for reputable market research companies that specialize in conducting focus groups. Sign up for their participant databases and be on the lookout for invitations to participate in upcoming studies. Make sure to provide honest and thoughtful feedback during the sessions. And there you have it, 10 proven online money-making ideas you've never heard of. Remember, these ideas require dedication, effort, and continuous learning. Choose an idea that resonates with you, research, and take action. The online world offers endless possibilities for generating income. Good luck on your journey to online success.